Sometimes you start sketch on a wrong plane and later on we realize we need to get it rotated. Instead of deleting and starting over, you can simply reorient the sketch in FreeCAD. And in this video of FreeCAD series, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam and you are watching Engineering Pritam. If you want to learn FreeCAD, then do subscribe to Engineering Pritam as we are covering entire FreeCAD series from zero to advance in this channel. Okay, so let's see how we can reorient our sketch. And here you can see I am already in part design environment. So let me quickly click here on Sketcher, and let's say I started making my sketch on XZ plane, and this was the sketch. Probably I can click on close. I should have constrained it, but here my intent is to show you the reorient feature. And now after you plotted sketch, you did pad on it. Okay, now let's say you want to reorient your sketch. So how we can do that? Now this is the final shape, for example. Now I also would like to perform some additional operations to it. For example, let me add all the edges here, and there we go. So let's click OK. And just to complicate things further, I'm gonna select this face and I'm gonna plot another sketch here. And this time, for example, I'm gonna plot this slot. And let's again leave this sketch. And now let me quickly plot a sketch, and probably I can go with another rectangle. Now let's close this. And now I'm gonna do another pad or maybe pocket. Okay. Now I hit OK. And now here you can see this child being created over the parent, and the parent here is this original pad. Now let's try making some changes in parent. So let me quickly go here in pad. So all you need to do is you need to select the sketch, and then here you need to go on the top, which is sketch, and then here you will see the option which is reorient sketch. So simply click on it, and then here say yes. And now here previously it was in XY plane. Now I'm gonna go with XZ plane. Okay, let's click OK, and now click close, and there we go. We have changed the plane. Now you might be thinking of, oh, I didn't saw any change. So now you see previously it was light down, now it looks like this. If you're still finding it hard to see, then let me reorient it again. I'm gonna go back again to sketch, then here reorient sketch, and this time I'm gonna choose YZ plane. Now click OK. Again, I'm gonna click close, and there we go. And now here you can see we again have changed the plane. And additional to this, we do have option to reverse the direction. So if I choose this one and close this, now here you can see by looking at the direction of pocket, if I again press 0 for isometric view, the direction of the pocket got changed. So that's how, guys, you can reorient your sketch in FreeCAD. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete FreeCAD series. Also, you will find topics related to other engineering domain in this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you around.